I just ran a half marathon and now I'm gonna go and do a 5K mud dash with my family. So come along. My legs are sore, but we're feeling good. So let's go.
Turn left. Huh?
Like, and then have to get picked up. Good morning!
Hi guys!
Nice shirts!
Thank you!
Alright, we just made it to the Muddy Dash and woo, there's a lot of people here.
We're ready! I'm so excited!
Yeah. We got the bib. Woo!
How you feeling after 13 miles?
Woo! Ready to go!
Putting on the headband.
Tiffany made these headbands, and our name of the group is
Too much motion!
Keys to a Jeep.
Maria? Maricha! Oh my god, your glasses are the cutest. 3, 2, 1!
Here we go! I had to run back and get my phone because I decided, screw it, I'm bringing it. Even if it gets a little muddy. Let's go. I have to catch up to everybody because I ran back. Looks like we're coming up to our first obstacle. The first obstacle.
You can go over or under, it says.
Woo! Everybody went over, I went under.
Oh my gosh! We're going in better!
Woo! Let's go! Woo! There is no way we're not getting wet. Ugh. Woo! How was that, Annika?
That was insane, I fell.
Did not know what I signed up for.
First obstacle already so far. Took it out of me, kind of.
Yeah.
Look what we found. What's up, guys?
Hey!
How's the first course?
My socks! They are disgusting!
Looks like we're going up the mountain after. Walk the hills. Run the downs. Jog the flats. You suckers. Let's go, Tiffany! Woo woo! That was hard.
You can
Comments?
conquer anything if you put your mind to it.
Motivation from Annika. Let's go. Woo! This is what makes you feel like a kid again. We're going to the bottom. Look who I'm catching up to. Let's go. That was so steep. There's Tiffany. They're great. Feeling strong. How are you feeling? Good. My mind wanted to avoid this, but we're in the mud run.
But at that inner beast.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, what happened? You wanted to become the warrior. Oh, it's like quick mud. The true warrior spirit. Oh no! There it is! Yeah. Hey! You made it! What happened? Let me see.
Dude. Ew.
Whoa, this is thick mud.
I'm gonna go in. Ready?
Oh my goodness, okay. There's trenches. Oh god, everybody. Oh my god.
I just skied like a foot and a half!
Oh god, what the heck?
Come on, Ellie, do the slip and slide.
Is that Ellie? She's not even
Oh, let's go. Yeah. Oh, Oh! Oh! Oh, hey! How you doing?
Good.
Catch me up.
My legs are numb.
Mine are too. Wow, that's a lot of downhill.
I know. And a lot of uphill.
Yeah. Oh, I'm dead.
Yeah, my
That's the hard stuff to film. Gonna do like that last one. Full body workout. Now his monkey bars coming up.
Yeah, my light work, no reaction. Alright, you gotta hold me up.
There we go.
Okay.
You got it too. You got enough height.
I'm scared. Why is Ellie doing that?
I don't know. Oh.
Go, Uncle, go! Woo!
Yes, you got this.
I don't have any hands.
Don't slip, grip! Woo!
You got this.
Oh, I fell in! Woo! You're not done yet!
We still gotta conquer this. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go! Woo! Oh! Oh! Whoa!
Almost done!
We're good to grab them? Yes, you are. Yay! Yay! You made it! Good job, Tim. The beautiful.
Real MVP. Rinsing off. Yeah. Let's see your best dance moves. Oh! Oh.
So we are back. We just finished the Muddy Dash. And closing statements, guys. What do you guys think of it? How did you feel?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Would you recommend it? Yes, I would recommend
No,
it.
you got it.
The hills, though?
The hills are hard.
Holy.
Holy.
Holy moly.
Okay, so what was your favorite part?
Oh my gosh, they had this rope and then you like kind of go on so and you flew into water and that was really fun.
That was hard.
That was really hard.
Running down the hills.
Running down the hills?
Yeah, running down the
That
hill
was
was really
fun.
fun.
That was fun.
The slip and slide.
Woo!
Red.
Did you go on your butt?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Ellie penguined it.
I did.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I can't believe I missed it. Whoa.
You'll see it on video.
I caught up to you on the downhill though. I was.
She did.
Yeah.
We totally ditched them.
Totally.
I touched that white
Whenever
stuff.
there's an
What is
uphill,
that?
there's always a downhill.
Oh, words of wisdom.
One foot in front of the other.
Tip got philosophical on us today on the trail.
Good job, guys.